Hello, my name is Peter, and today we're going to cover on how to modify your business hours of your dealership using the CMS tool on the new VO platform. Now to do that, all you need to do first is go under CMS tab and select business hours. Now all your business hours should be displayed on this page, and if you want to turn them on or off, you can simply click on this switch and it will give you a confirmation on whether or not it was published or not. Next, if you want to modify a business hour, just click on the plus sign next to the department that you want to change. So in this case, for new cars, new car department is now displayed from 9 to 5 Monday to Friday. Now if we want to change that, simply select 9 to 9 p.m. and apply it to all days. If you want to display, let's say on a Saturday, your dealership is open, just simply uncheck where it says closed, or check it off if it's a closed day of your dealership. In this case, we want it to be open. Now if you want to change business hours for specific days, just go to the day. Let's say on a Friday, the dealership is open from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. and also on a Saturday from, let's say, 10 a.m. till 3 p.m. Now if you want to add a second time range, simply check off this checkbox, and now you can go ahead and modify, let's say your Monday, you're open from 9 to 12, and then from 1 p.m. to 9, if the dealership is closed during the lunchtime. In this case, we won't display this. And now if we want to select different departments with the same time schedule, simply select the different departments that these business hours are applied to. In this case, if you want to apply it to all departments, just check off the all checkbox, or simply check off the departments individually. In this case, since this is new vehicles, we want to display the same hours for used vehicles. And finally, all you need to do is click on Save. Once it's saved, you get the confirmation note on top saying the business hours have been saved. Now if you want to add holidays where the dealership is closed, simply click on the Add Holiday button at the bottom, and your first option will be, is it open or closed? So if you want to see on a holiday if your dealership is open or closed, in this case we'll select closed. Number 2 is select which departments are closed. So in this case, we will select all departments, or you can individually select specific departments. In this case, we'll select all. And as you can see here, your open and close days will be displayed on your website 30 days prior to the date that we are currently. So in this case, we are the 18th of September. If I select, let's say, the 1st of October, click on Save, it will be displayed on the site. If I select, let's say, the 21st of October, it will not be displayed. So in this case, I want it to be displayed for an example purposes. So let's select the 1st, or let's select the 30th. And if you want to select multiple days where the dealership is closed, simply select the first one and then the last one, and these days will be displayed as closed. So in this case, I will only select one day and then click on Save. So now if I scroll down, you'll see that there's a holiday on September 30th for all these departments. Now to view that on your website, simply go to your website and select Contact Us, where all your business hours are displayed. And as you can see here, administration was not changed. New vehicles was changed to what we selected, as well as used, and also the close date, which was applied to all departments. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to call me. My number is 1-888-474-2886, extension 240. And my name is Peter. And I bid you all a great day.